Hey guys, you can pour it you chop it the dough. I wrap it with the egg roll, the vegetable rolls. I had this at the restaurant, at the Vietnamese restaurant. So like this. You leave the tails here. So nice, huh? Hello guys, right now I'm gonna start eating. Hot. It's pretty crunchy. It's shrimp inside. See the smoke coming out. So yummy. I have no makeup on today. So bad. raining. It's raining outside. You see this? It's not a lot of rain, just a little bit of rain. So yummy. Are you gonna make it for yourself? No. Stop.
I'm still full for breakfast.
Cold.
You are?
Spaghetti.
Wow.
I ate
Wait, when did
breakfast
you eat?
Daddy,
When did you eat breakfast, Jason?
Daddy,
at maybe 3
can you
p.m.
make it like McDonald's? Because it's yummy.
It's only 5 or 6 p.m.
Daddy, can you make it like McDonald's? Huh?
No, because I don't have a fryer. And you don't want it fried like McDonald's.
You want to eat this, Emma? Grapes and kiwis, that's it. French fry is done. Now I'm just gonna scoop it up. With plates.
Daddy, pull it. So pull it all the way up.
Jojo!
Daddy, all the way up and
Wanna go again, Jojo? Go again. Thank you, Jojo. Up you go, up you go. Up Jojo goes. Get out of the way, Jojo!
I'm gonna try a butterfly. Whoa! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Go again. Whoa! Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Daddy, the slide! Our pretty slide. Look. Daddy, our
Yeah, I know, you pushed it all the way down. You gotta keep it up here.
Then we have to put so many clothes and blankets down there. I'm fixing it.
Alright, put all those blankets to the bottom. Put all the blankets to the bottom here, sir. Here, put all those blankets in. Listen. All those blankets. I'm keeping the baby from attacking the camera. See, it keeps moving because you did. When you put blankets there, see, it's moving now.
Okay. Just bring that top and I'll
More blankets, more blankets. Well, it's gonna keep the mattress from falling down. Here, get the teddy bear. Put the teddy bear at the bottom.
Hold on. Baby.
Help him up. Get him to the top. Don't throw him like that. Get him to the top.
Jojo, come here. Sorry, Tommy, got the one. There's a sucker. I didn't play the move. And now, the sled fell on me. It's family time. Oh. Face. Don't hit me. This is a slide. Stop that. It hurts. What is this? A slide? This is our new slide.
Don't crush the baby when you go down the slide.
It's our new slide.
The baby guards the bottom.
He's like, what are you doing?
Try not to crush the baby.
Where'd you even get the mattress from?
It's my bed. Alright, he's getting out of the way. Now you got your chance. And you blew it. You had your chance and you blew it. I'm just kidding. He's still out of the way. He's just hanging out.
Move! Let me go. Move. Wait! Nikki, you pull it down! No, I didn't. Yes, you did. You pull it down a little bit.
I did feel it move.
You did?
Mm-hmm. I moved.
Ow! It hurts.
Well, when you go down the hill, that's when you get out of the way. You get to the bottom and you run out of the way before the next person runs you over.
On our way to the...
You're moving it again, Nikki. I'm moving.
What?
You're moving me. So there you go again.
Daddy, pull it up.
Nikki's got to pull it up because Nikki pushed it down. You got to pull the mattress up. The mattress, Nikki.
Okay, fine. You want me to?
Yeah.
The baby.
Pull it up. He's fine. He's a baby. See? He gets out of the way because he's a baby.
That's better than that. Pull it up. Nikki, pull it down again. So I pulled it up. So I can pull it down. Pull it down. I go on. Now you pull it up. And now I go. You remember? What are you doing? Why are you recording?
Why are you asking questions? This is the guy here asking questions.
Be quiet. Wait, hold on. What is that thing?
It's your face.
No, what is that thing on the camera?
I love to relax. Always.
Oh.
It's got battery. It's got how long this video is.
Ready?
And then the other, it's got battery percentage and percentage of how much memory space is left.
No. Now you pull it up and next is my turn. When you pull it up, it's my turn. No, then you have to pull it. Now pull it up. Now. You're gonna pull it on the slide. What are you doing?
What happened to you?
Nothing. Bounce down.
Jojo hit his head on the table.
Ouch! Nikki, pull it up. Hey. Nikki, not yet.
Move out of the way, Scylla, Nick, and Jojo. Okay, Jojo's over here putting water on the mountain for you guys so it turns to ice and it slides better.
Stop doing it.
You know, Jojo, I had to sleep on that bed. He didn't pee on my bed, but he definitely got it all wet. Now he's getting the floor all wet. That's enough water for you, Jojo. Thank you.
So what do I always have to pull it up? You pull it up.
Fine. You're the puller.
You're the weaker.
Huh?
You're the weaker.
You're the puller on the slider.
No, I'm the.
You're the slider on the slider. You're the
wetness.
You gotta fix the teddy bear, Scylla. The teddy bear was in a position so that you don't hit the table. Now the teddy bear's not doing anything. He's just hanging out under the table.
Why? Spider down here.
Where you going, Paul?
What?
Out of this room, Jojo. Here. Go for it. Oh, Nikki lost.
I didn't.
We have a loser.
He won.
I lost
All right.
over him. He told me to move over here.
Who? The standing competition between these two. Whoever stops standing loses. They can't leave their square. They can't walk. They've already been on for 20 minutes now. Who will win and who will lose? Who's gonna win, Jojo? You don't care? No. No touching each other. And no touching the walls or anything. No leaving your square. No bending. No bending over. No bending your knees.
But Jawad made him better.
That's why he's still in. Because Jawad did that. That was interference. And this is already in by 20 minutes. These two have been competing. I'm surprised they made it this long.
Stop.
I'm sending it to all your classmates.
What?
Everyone in your class. You better not lose. Because everyone in your class will know when you go back to school in 2 years.
2 years? You mean 2 years?
You'll see.
Stop recording!
Then lose.
Then throw something at him.
Like, give me that!
I can't.
Nobody can pick up because you can't bend over.
Ow.
Give me!
The baby will bring it to you. The baby's busy right now. The baby is occupied.
Daddy, he touched me.
You didn't see though!
He touched me with a water bottle.
You didn't see! You didn't see though! Hey, you both your legs! They're tilted now! Dang it! Didn't he?
Well, you'll have to lose to get a drink.
Yeah!
Nope.
Suffer!
All you have to do is bend your feet and move your feet. You move your feet and then you can go get a drink, Sarah. You'll be okay.
Yeah, come on, I'm really thirsty.
Are your guys' feet getting itchy?
No. What? What? I didn't do anything. I didn't do that hard.
Nikki
What? Stop!
versus Sarah.
What about
Oh, Nikki almost lost.
Nikki's Kenny? I'm Spenny.
Almost lost there, Nikki.
You're the loser.
Mama.
You are.
Next one.
Kenny versus Spenny.
I can do.
But in the real competition, Spenny loses. Because Kenny cheated with some powder that makes your foot itchy.
I'll feel like a feather. I don't know. Feather like a feather. I'm not like. 'cause my
Just
legs are
bend your
strong.
knees, Nikki.
My legs are strong.
Your legs are tired, just bend your knees.
No. Just lose already, John. I'm gonna raise it back. I'm fine with this. Lemon red, where? You mean? What are you talking? That's not me. That's my brother. It's not me.
Is that Nikki? Or is it telling the truth?
I'm not lying. That's not me.
Bye-bye, Jojo.
Because that was when he was like a little baby.
Jojo just closed the
That was
door.
like
You want some alone
3 years
time?
ago.
Can you get the phone to Lola?
That'd be 7. Nope.
Oh, Jojo just went away again.
Did you say Daddy does have
hear something.
It's a song in the game, I think.
Why don't you go over there and check?
I can't.
You won't be humiliated in front of all your friends at school. If you lose, I'll show all your friends at school. Yep, that's the last one we watched. That was the punishment. Spenny had to be a baby. Well, you stopped watching, so you didn't see it. They had to take care of toy babies, robotic babies that know how well you're taking care of them. And the person checks the results on a computer at the end, and the loser gets humiliated. Oh yeah, she said this is as dead as the baby can get. She said this is as dead as the baby can get. I mean, like Kenny killed the baby and then he switched it with the other one's baby. He switched it. You know, Kenny killed the battery. And then he switched babies. Computer baby that cries. And if the computer it's a toy doll and it cries, and if it cries you gotta either feed it. I don't know, with another computer bottle. You put the computer bottle up to the baby's face. You feed it, or you change its diaper, or you give it some, loving. Somehow, I don't know. And then also you can't, you gotta be careful of the baby's neck too. You gotta give good neck support.
What? I started on that.
Jojo. Uh-oh.
Daddy touched me like this.
What?
Are you cheating again, Kenny?
Dude, what do you mean?
He
You weren't here though. You dumb?
That didn't mean you can touch me.
So that. Oh my gosh.
Can't give me the phone. That's why I hold the phone.
Give me it.
Give me doesn't get.
Give me. There. Is that better?
Give me doesn't get.
I said, what? Hey, yeah, give me.
Baby! Jojo!
Give me it.
Jojo!
So I can throw it at Daddy.
I'm joking. You want to throw that?
Take it away. He's gonna suck on it.
He stuck on the little one.
No, he sucked on mine too. Then I'll have to clean it. So,
How long can you stand? How long can you stare straight? So how long can you stare at each other?
no.
I can do that.
Give me.
That gives me an idea for the next competition.
Ooh. But that wasn't a King or Spenny.
The next competition could be like a blinking contest
What happened?
or a smiling contest.
To not smile?
Don't smile and don't blink.
Oh, that was easy. That's easy.
It's gonna be hard to not blink.
All you gotta do.
All right, let's do it while you guys are doing this competition. Let's do a no blinking competition.
Why?
Whoever's the first to blink loses. Ready? Look at me. Stare at me, both of you. Stare at me. And go. First to blink lose. Oh, Scylla blinked. Scylla lost the mini competition during the standing competition.
I can't do it. Nikki's not gonna.
Now, both of you guys, we're gonna do the smiling competition. Both of you guys, look at me.
Nikki made me did this.
Look at me.
Oh, you just moved!
Look,
She just
guys,
moved!
look at me.
She made me do it.
Look
She
at
just
me.
moved!
Okay, now look at me. And don't smile. Ready? Move your hand. No hands in your face. Look at me, Scylla. You're not looking at me.
No, she
No
just
smiling.
moved!
Okay.
She just moved!
All right. Well, let's do another competition. No talking right now. Okay. Now look at me. No smiling. Up, Scylla lost. She touched her face
Why can I touch your face?
because you're covering your smile or moving it. You already lost, Scylla. You lost the smiling and you lost the talking.
Because I needed to.
That's all right, Scylla. Because Nikki might lose the standing. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, JoJo continues to play with the bottles.
Just kind of.
Wait, this is it. Give me my bottle.
Gimme doesn't get.
Just put it on the table then.
Daddy, can you?
He might suck on it.
Daddy,
He already did.
Daddy, can you?
And he wiped his poopy diaper with it, too.
Yo! Don't touch me, Daddy said.
I got you on candid camera.
What? Candy camera.
Candy plate.
Let me get that camera.
It's not candy camera, candid camera. It's a TV show.
Remember candy?
But people don't know they're on
Remember
camera.
we had a
And they say
candy?
smile because you're on candid camera. But in this competition, you're not smiling because it's a no smiling
Daddy,
competition.
miss this person thing.
What do you
Don't
mean?
talk.
Still already lost.
I know.
Who don't?
Give me my water bottle.
Daddy, who did? Who already lost? Who already lost? What challenge?
You
I
lost
can't get the
the
water
picture,
bottle.
You lost the smiling.
I can't get the water bottle because
You
you're gonna
lost it.
cheat.
Daddy.
I don't want you
Dad,
cheating.
can we do the same thing like no talking and no smiling? Let's do that.
All right, you guys want to do another mini competition? Okay, come up with one. Which one do you want to do?
No talking.
No talking. Ready? And go. So it's a standing competition and a no talking competition. And how about a third one right now? A no blinking.
No.
All right, you guys both lose the blinking one because you guys both looked away. Which means that you both blinked. So don't touch them. You guys now have been playing almost 30 minutes now. Almost a half an hour. Almost the whole half an hour. You guys just standing there, wasting time. When you guys could be playing the video game or drinking water. Or playing HeroScape. But no. You guys are stopping. Instead. Just say something so that I can't understand your mumbling. I don't understand caveman, Scylla.
Give me my water bottle.
I'm just sitting here.
Joji. What's going on in here?
Here to see the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
What are you doing?
Oh, we got a loser.
Oh crap!
We have a loser.
She lost way more than me.
You can talk, Stella, because he just lost.
Daddy, Nikki, do this. Oh, do that. Oh yeah.
I don't know what she just said, but she lost the talking competition.
You said stop. Stop what?
Oh, Dickie, it's trouble now.
What do you mean?
You might want to win because you're already in trouble now.
How? He touched me?
Distance
No? His parents are yelling at him because he's still playing.
No, you're a bum.
Uh-oh, and he's just calling people names. That's why he's in trouble.
Hey,
No touching. No touchy.
Eat
I'm
the
touching.
in the great
I'm touching you. I'm touching you.
forever free.
You know, if you both... okay, now, Nikki, how about this? What if Scylla loses? What's her humiliation?
Meant to be
I don't know.
Scylla, what if Nikki loses? What's his humiliation?
forever free.
little baby.
What do you think this is? A TV show? We ain't got no budget for that.
It literally is though.
Nikki already is a baby. They're watching a baby right now.
What? I'm not a baby.
Being wearing a diaper and pooping in it.
Oh.
That's a Charlie one. That's a
I
Oh.
can't wear a diaper, you bum.